Just gonna go. Just pretend.
Hello, this is Aaron Leventhal from Hero Arts. Any of you who happen to buy our monthly kit, do you ever wonder how we make our kit? Well, we're going to tell you today in a video so that you know how the Hero Arts, my monthly hero, gets made every month. Okay, so step one is the creative process. We're going to actually go in and see the designers at work right now designing a kit. Let's check it out. And there's an MMH all ready to go. All right, so this is step number 2. We now make stuff. And this is where, if you're going to get a wood product or a plane, we actually put it in these rubber stamp presses. They actually make great paninis as well as stamps. All right, step 2.5, if we have to make wood, like wood stamps, then we cut it and assemble it all right here in our wood cutting facility. All right, on to step 3. All right, step number 3. Once we have the rubber run or the products cut, then we actually have to, from this point on, cut and assemble into stamps. Oh, are we filming? Oh, okay. No, I was just making this stuff up. What step are we on? Step 4. Here's where we actually assemble. So that's where your cling or clear stamps actually get made. Just getting close to putting it in the box. Wait, we're not ready.
Go!
Okay, we're ready. All right, step number 5. We've got everything made now, and now we get all the goodies. And we put them all together into the bag for the kit. It's taking shape before it gets shipped. All right, now we're on step number 6. This is where the MMH kit is already assembled and now in the box right here. It's put in by Jomar. He seals it up, puts your label on, and it's about to go off to you. There you go. Thanks. Oh, this is just a snack station. Actually, this isn't a step. All right, now we've come to step number 7, the final step, which is where we actually ship the boxes. UPS and FedEx pull right up and deliver the boxes to you. Well, thank you for joining us through the 7 steps of making an MMH. I hope you enjoyed the time, and I hope you enjoy your kit. See you later.